This one is a state-of-the-art, so everything is electronic. It's got a 10-gallon boiler, so we never run out. And it's a 3-head, so if you're a busy store like this one, you can always make sure you never run out of space to make more and more espressos. And everything is controlled with a memory stick, so you just put the memory stick in, you put the settings, and no one can change them. It's always consistent. And again, this brand, I've been to their factory in Italy. This brand is one of the best brands right now. It used to be La Marzocco and then the Verissimos and stuff, but right now Nova Simonelli is, I'd say by far, they're the leaders in the market. And this is their latest technology, so it's pretty awesome.